Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add update figures list in Word. So guys, from here, as you can see, I have two tables. In order for you to add a figure on it, just right click on it and click on insert caption. And from here guys, you will have here an option, a label. So from here, as you can see, you will have multiple label. You can go for equation, example, figure, or table. Or if you want to add a new label, you can just click on new label over here. And after that, you can just go for, let's say I'm going to go for test and click on OK. And as you can see, it will automatically change over here. And now you can go for the position as well. It's either be above the selected item or below. So it will be depending on you as well. And now once you are done, you can just click on OK. And as you can see, we will have here our figure 1. And now I'm going to go for the second one and right click on it and go for insert caption. And from here, as you can see, it will automatically be test 2 since I already have a test 1 over here. So just click on OK. And in order for you to add a list, just simply go ahead and go to references at the top. And from here, guys, you should be able to see insert table of figures. So click on this. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and click on OK. And from there, you'll be able to have a list. And when you right click on it and click on it, it will automatically put us on the figure 1. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.